Right, come to my second video of geometric progressions for grade 11. The previous video I worked a couple of questions involving how to calculate the common ratios, and when the first term and common ratio known, find the particular term is provided. Before the best refer the previous video and join with this. It's the geometric series, no general pattern A, AR square, AR cube and so on. Nth term formula Tn equal AR to the power n minus 1. So I worked two types of question earlier. So here we see third type. Right, next my third type question, right, this. Find the first term and the common ratio. Find the first term and the common ratio of the following geometric progressions. Find the first term and the common ratio of the following geometric progressions. See, first question, T2 equal 4, T5 equal 108. See my other type of important question in the exam part. We have to find, earlier we worked A is known, R is known. Here both are unknown. They said second term is 4 and the fifth term is 108. Two particular terms are given. How we calculate is first term and the common ratio. See that the method. So two unknowns, A is unknown, R is unknown, build up two equation and solve that pair of simultaneous equations, right? So second term is 4. How the second term in GP? First term is A, second term is AR. Therefore, AR equal 4. AR equal 4, right? Say first equation. Okay, it's an interesting chapter, very easy, but important big question there in the exam part, OL paper. But the fifth term here, first term is A, second term AR, third term AR square, fourth term, fifth term AR power 4, right? AR to the power 4. This is 108. That's all. So we can get up to this 2 marks, one marks for this, 1 marks for this. Now solving, right? We solve this pair of simultaneous equation to find the A value and the R value. So here solving method is, in the geometric series problem solving method is, you divide. If you divide one by the other, you can remove. You know, simultaneous equations idea we are solving, how we solve those? By adding or subtract. If you add, A is cancelled, or if you subtract, X is cancelled, like that. So here not add or subtract, GP problems, divide, try to divide, right? So second equation, divide by first. Second equation, divide by first. Second equation, AR to the power 4, divide by AR, equal to what? 108 over 4. 108 over 4. So AA cancel. Yeah, what is that? R cube equal 27. R cube equal 27, right? So I mentioned the previous video, the geometric series problem, you need the good knowledge of the indices. If you solve grade 11 initial chapters, indices equation, here R cube is 27. We have a power 3 here. So try to show that also as a power 3. Therefore R cube equal, what is that? 3 to the power 3. 3 to the power 3. Therefore powers are equal, bases equal. R equal 3. So we found the common ratio of this series, R equal 3. Now we find the first term, A, initial term. That's the ordinary method. After finding one, how you found the other one by substitute. Put R43 here. Put R43 here, find the first term A answer. So in the first equation, I show here, first equation, AR equal to 4. AR equal to 4. A multiple, the R is 3 equal to 4. So what is A answer? Take the multiple 3 other side, divide 4 over 3. This is my first question. This is important part, not like the previous video questions. Without those knowledge, you can't go this type of one. So here you build up 2 equations and solve it, right? There's a second term is 4, one equation. Fifth term is 108, another equation. Now try to divide. First equation divide by second, or second divide by first. Why we are dividing? To remove the A. Always in a GP question, you can't divide by dividing, you can't remove the R. Mostly the A can vanishes. A can be eliminated by dividing. That's why A cancel, you can count the R. If you know the R value, you know how to find the A answer. See another question. T3, third term is 6. Seventh term is 96. Third, if you problem in my previous question, another problem to learn properly this type. Third term is 6. T3 means third term is 6. And the seventh term is 96. So find the first term and the common ratio. So build up 2 equations and solve it. So how the third term of a GP, first term is A, second term AR, third term AR square, right? AR square is 6. Say first equation. And how the seventh term AR power 6. AR to the power 6. That is 96. Say second equation. Now follow my previous work. If you're confused, please stop or pause the video, go back. See my previous parts, how I shown. You copy with me, you have to work this, right? Let's stop the video and write the question. You work with me, then check with my answers. It's verified, it's very clear. If you follow my explanation and how I solve my workouts. Now divide one by one. The dividing is to remove the A part, right? To remove the A, cancel if you divide. So second equation, divide by the first. Second equation, divide by the first, that is AR power 6. AR power 6 divide by AR square equal, here 96 divide by 6. 96 divide by 6. So see A cancel. You need the indices knowledge. When you dividing, bases are same. When divide, subtract the power. R to the power 4. Here what? 9 ones, 3 balance, 36 6 times. See, that's why you already learned in the previous chapters in grade 11, indices equations. Here power is 4. Therefore show that also as a power of 4. So R to the power 4. So write the 16 as 2 to the power 4. Therefore both side powers are equal. Bases equal. Common ratio equal to. This problem you can get up to 4 marks. 4 marks question in any exam papers, right? So you know the R. Now go to find the A answer. By substitute R is 2 here, put R is 2 here, or put here. You select which is easy equation to substitute and get it. So if I take the first equation, I substitute R for 2, therefore A multiple 2 square equals 6. So find the A answer. A equal into 2 square 4 equals 6. So A answer 6 divided by 4. Look at this, 3 over 2 or 1.5 or 1.5. First term is 1.5. Common ratio is 2, right? It's the fashion of answering such a problem. Two equations provide, hence solve, find the A and R value. The same you will learn in the grade 10 how to find the common difference and the first term of arithmetic progressions. Next question, third term is 8. Comma, 8th term is 64. So try your own, stop the video, try yourself and check with me when I explain this answer. If you want to take more time, it's maybe 3 minutes, 3 or 4 minutes probably you have to work. Exam means timing, always prepare for with keeping time. Especially maths papers, timing is the well advantage. You take full opportunity of time to minimize and get the full marks. So you have that solved. Third term, how the third term, see the order of the geometric pattern. Third term is AR square is 8. Say first question, third term is that. And 8th term, how the 8th term, AR power 7 is 64. Say second equation. Now solve this pair of equation. Divide, the idea is divide. Second divide by 1. So second one, AR power 7 divide by AR square equals 64 divided by 8. So see, A cancel. By we dividing to remove the A part. A cancel. Use the indices rule. So what happened? Bases are same. When divide, subtract the power. R to the power 5 is 64 divided by 8. That is 8, right? R to the power 5 is 8. It's okay. Third term is 8. This is one of the book question. That is third term is 4. This one third term is 8 and the 8th term is 64. Okay, third term right. AR square equal 8. 8th term in divide r to the power 5. Okay, no matter we can answer, there's a value. There's a value, right? There's a value for r. That also you have to improve, but sometimes you think the problem is wrong. No matter, we can change it. If you know, if you want, you can say 32 here. Then there's a chance for a power in base 32 and go, it become 32 mean what is 64 become, change it and go. Otherwise see, r power 5 is 8. So our answer 8 to the power what? That also they are in the radical form of that indices. 5 take this side, 1 over 5. That's the R value, right? Yes, if you calculate the log table, using log table only we can find the decimal value, exact solution of this. Anyhow, we knew what is the R answer here. Next, find the A, substitute from the first equation. Put A, find the R value. So A into, what is R? 8 to the power 1 over 5 is R, but square, completely square, equal to 8. Okay. Now try to simplify. There are sometimes they confuse this values problem. Some they miss the question. But anyhow, no matter, every mathematical terms questions has a solution. Try to find this. So a multiple 8 to the power. These two multiple, power of a power rule, multiple this 1 times to 2 below 5 equal 8. Therefore take this multiplication other side, what, divide. So I show here a equal 8 divided by 8 to the power 2 over 5. Now follow your integers work. When the bases are same, when you divide, subtract the power. Here above is the biggest power 1, above is the biggest power 1, below smaller than that 2 over 5. Then subtract. So what is the answer? 8 to the power, here 1, here 1. 1 minus 2 over 5. 1 minus 2 over 5. What is that value? A equal 8. Simplified is what? 5 minus 3 over 5. 3 over 5. That's enough. So there's a number, but not a perfect integer value. It's become using any scientific calculator or in our syllabus logarithm table. But here that's enough. This is A and R. See another question. See GP. In a GP, third term is 40. Sixth term is 625. Find the first term and the common ratio. By build up the pair of simultaneous equation, you can calculate. So how the third term, now you know you are very familiar now with the terms. My second video, those are newcomers, please subscribe and press the bell button, then you'll automatically receive all my this type of oil syllabus questions, lessons, everything. So third term, AR square equal 40. First equation. Sixth term, our sixth term, first term is A, second term, third term, sixth term, AR power 5, right? AR power 5 is 625. Say second equation. Now solve and find the A and R. So dividing method. Second equation divide by first. AR power 5 divide by AR square. The other side 625 divide by 40. By the idea of dividing, A cancel. Follow my methods, follow my explanation and keep in touch. Repeat it. It's an important familiar problem in oil paper. Typical question, right? So now the bases are same. Divide, subtract the power. R cube, right? Here what? We cut by what? Cut by 5, cut by 5, cut by 5 below 8. 625 cut by 125. 125. This is very good knowledge. Some earlier problem, something missing. The values are confused, no matter. See here, power is 3. So write this completely as a power of 3. So R cube equal. How 125? 5 into 5 into 5. How 8? 2 into 2 into 2. There are 4. That is 5 over 2 power 3. So both side powers are equal. Bases equal. R equal 5 over 2. R equal 5 over 2 or 2.5. Common ratio 2.5. So you know R. And go and find the first term here by substitute. So in the first equation I substitute A multiple R. R is 5 over 2. R is 5 over 2. So 5 over 2 square equal 40. 5 over 2 square equal 40. Now simplify to get this A answer, first term answer. So A into completely square, what is that? 5 square, 25 2 square 4, right, equal to 40. So what the A answer? A equal multiple 40, 40 multiple 4 divide by 25. Solve that and find the A answer. So these are the type that how to solve such pair of simultaneous equation GP problem, right? Can I cut by 5 here? So here 8 times, here 5 times. So 32 over 5. 32 over 5 is the answer. That is enough to just find the first term, find the common ratio. So in some question, not only these, they extend the problem. They ask, write the series. If you know A, if you know R, you can write the series. I show that also here, you can copy that. If A is known, R is known, write the series. So what are the terms? Write few terms. First term, second term, third term, like that, show some series. So first term is 32 over 5. What the second term? See, common ratio 5 over 2. Multiply 5 over 2. This multiply 5 over 2. This one multiply by 5 over 2. What happened? 5 cancel. 16. Second term is 16. So I am showing, and the important part here, note that if the A and R known, they will ask some problem, write the series, write the first 4 terms or 5 terms, like that. So practice how to answer that part. A is known, A multiplied by the R, I got it. What is other term? 16 multiplied by R, 16 multiplied by 5 over 2, 16 multiplied by 5 over 2. So cut the 2 here, 8, 40. Next term is 40. But the other term, 40 multiplied by 5 over 2, 40 multiplied by 5 over 2. Cut the 2 here, 20. So 100, is it? 100. And so on. This is the method. So here I shown an additional part also. Not only A and R finding, you can calculate or you can write the term series also, pattern also. This is the method here, right? It's one of the type of question.